Hi. Hi, big boy. Yes. Are you guys buddies? Yeah. Are your parents crazy? Are your parents crazy? Yes. Aww. Soft. Soft. Easy. That's it. He's gonna bite you now. You're in trouble. He's gonna bite your toes. He's gonna bite your toes. Yeah, he's like, come sit back down here. Come on. Come sit right here.